In today's video, we'll be learning to insert the style lines or contour lines. So first we'll start with the princess line. For that I need a combination of two darts, that is the armhole dart and waist dart. Here I have taken, I am following the same process as we have done in the previous video. I am inserting two darts out of the waistline dart. So we'll trace it on a pattern paper. Purposely I am using two color of pattern paper so that you can see all the edges. So here let us trace the entire pattern. Do it carefully. Like this. This is a beautiful you can say contour line which gives a nice effect to your dresses. Today we are learning it, the basic of it, and in coming video we will be learning to make some princess line tops or princess line dresses, midis and all. Even you can create this effect on the top of or the upper portion of the evening gown, one piece, right. So this is all. I have traced the entire pattern. Now let's see the effect. This, right, and this is the pattern will get out of this. Now what we'll do, we'll just point the dart points half to 3/4 inches away from the bust point, and then we'll join burst point and dart points with a smooth curve. Don't forget to take the dart points on the mid of the dart. So now we'll join the dart legs with the smooth curve. Always make it sure that you are joining the points with the curve, not with a straight line or something. It would be a little bit kind of a curve. See, as you can see in the video, and then we'll just cut this out. Simply you cut both the pieces separately. Do it carefully, so you should not miss any line, otherwise it will spoil the fitting of your garment. See this, and now cutting is over. Now we will see how we will join these two pieces by stitching. I am just using a tape so that you will be able to understand how this will provide the contour to the dress, how it will provide the fit to the dress on the bust specifically. This, see, I am joining it simply, as you may join it like this and this. This is final done. So now I will show you the impact that we have created out of this. Here you can see grace of the princess line, and you can see the fit that this particular thing is provided. Now we'll start with the empire contour line or empire style line. In this we'll be requiring two darts, that is the shoulder dart and the waistline dart, and I'm using the same technique. Just join the darts with the curve, cut this out. Again we have to cut two pieces out of this. See, here we can just cut this piece, and then we'll see to join this. This is completed. Now we'll join it. In the same way you have to join the pieces seam to seam only. When we'll cut it on the fabric or when we'll prepare the final pattern, so we'll add 1/4 inch of an margin, that we'll see when we'll prepare it on the dresses. You just go through this basic. Once you are clear with this, so you can create any dress which you like. Even you can design your own, looking at some different patterns and all this. Now you can see the impact we have created out of this. Let me stitch it once more because it's not that clear. Now you can see the beauty of empire line and the fit that has given to the pattern. Now we'll start and we'll make some yoke line kind of a this. For that we have used center front dart and the armhole dart. Join it with the smooth curve. The dart points, that is half inch to 3/4 inches away from the bust point, and then we'll join it including all 3 points, both the dart points and the bust point. It will give a line which will separate bodies not horizontally but the vertically, horizontally not the vertically. It will give beautiful effect to the dress. See, now we'll join this. Though the process is same, I am doing it again and again just to make you understand how we can use this with the different dart combinations. You can take any 2 dart combination and try it. Believe me, you will get a good result every time. Any 2 weird combinations even you can join with, but they all both should be on the opposite sides, right? This, see this effect, it has been created. Now we'll look at the cross contour line, that we are using the French dart and the neckline dart. Process is same. We have taken the dart points and we are joining dart points and bust point with the smooth curves and joining it to the dart leg. Now let's cut this. Simply you can cut from the lines that we have drawn. I hope the video is clear to you, and this is all done. Now we'll paste this or stitch this. Now let's see its stitching. In the same way, we'll be stitching it from seam to seam. If you want to be a designer, this is the first, you can say, step to that journey. If you learn to make the style lines or the contour lines, you can give a nice fitting to your garments. This, you can see the effect. This is the cross contour line. So in that way you can create much many. So this is all for today's video, friends. Thank you for watching this video, friends. In the next video, we'll be meeting with the insertion of multiple number of darts in a bodice. Till then, bye bye and thank you.